Hi, I'm Ravin Rojvanit. This video will provide an overview of the remote control demo board with Xena wireless adapter. This board provides an evaluation platform for an embedded human interface application that shows integration of various different technologies, including graphics, USB, capacitive touch, and wireless. Let's take a closer look at the boards. On the front side, the remote control board has a 3.5-inch graphical LCD display with resistive touchscreen and capacitive touch panel providing the primary user interface. The back side of the board has the MRF24J40MA, which is an X02.15.4 2.4 GHz low power wireless transceiver module. Connected to the main microcontroller via an SPI bus, it can be used with a variety of wireless software protocols including RF4CE, Zigbee, and Microchip's proprietary MyWi. The same transceiver is also used on the Xena wireless adapter. A single PIC24FJ2560A210 microcontroller is used to control everything on the board. It has an integrated graphics controller and an integrated USB module that can support USB host and USB device. It also has charge time measurement unit or CTMU used to implement capacitive touch panel. The board can be powered using 9-volt external power or USB bus, or in today's demo, powered by 3 Energizer batteries. The demo shows a remote control sending data to a target device, which could be anything. In this setup, we will use a PC computer connected with the Xena wireless adapter as the target device. A PC application wireless remote control utility is provided to provide feedback on the data received from the remote control. This utility is written in Java and can be run on various operating systems, including Windows, Macintosh, and Linux. Any RF protocols can be used as long as the remote and the adapter use the same protocols. Today's demonstration uses the RF4CE protocol. To run the demo, first power the remote control board by inserting the battery jumper. Next, insert the Xena wireless adapter to the PC. If inserting for the first time, follow the necessary driver installation instructions provided in the user's guide. Next, use the utility to select an adapter. Click File, Configure Xena wireless adapter, select an entry, hit OK. The utility then shows messages that it is now connected to the adapter. Now that the communication is established, I can use the remote to send messages to the PC utility. I can type in a channel selection using the LCD touch screen. I can also send messages by pressing on the M-Touch panel. This is changing the volume. Another feature I would like to highlight is that the graphical screens are developed using 8 bits per pixel color depth. Utilizing just the on-chip 96 KB RAM on the microcontroller. No additional external RAM is used. The demo is developed using various free Microchip application libraries, including graphics, USB, M-Touch Cap, and RF4CE. It demonstrates the seamless integration of both software and hardware solutions. To learn more and to download software and documentation, please visit the Remote Control Demo Board product page at microchip.com/remote control.